This low-key online gig has been silently getting over 2K review ever since it got published, and the mastermind behind this charges a minimum of $50 for every job he provides. But here is the exciting part: you can dive into this opportunity with zero skills and zero experience. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you this secret strategy that hasn't received much attention. I'll take you through a step-by-step guide starting from scratch to finish while having absolutely no knowledge or skills. So if you're serious about making money online, stay with me as I walk you through on how to start a profitable online gig with no experience required. While I was in this platform called Fiverr, I came across this graphic designing gig and I noticed the high demand for business cards. And as you can see, this person charges a minimum of $20 and has over 7K review. How about this other person that charges a minimum of $60 and has over 2K review? So after going through all these gigs, I realized a lot of people were making money designing business cards. But I wanted more information to know if it was possible to make money if anyone starts selling this gig today. So I decided to search for the keyword business card in this platform called Google Trend to know if people were still searching for business card in the past 7 days. And as you can see, the trend is still going up, which means a lot of businesses are demanding for business card. This information alone has made it clear that there's a high demand for this type of designs. And I know you'll be asking questions like, now I know all this information, how can I deliver these designs without any skills? Well, you don't need to ask anymore, because in this case, you just need your phone and this app called Canva. And for those who don't know what Canva is a popular online graphic designing platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content. It provides a user-friendly interface and a vast collection of templates, images, fonts, and other design elements. It helps individuals and businesses create professional-looking design without the need for advanced design skills or software. Now we all know what Canva is all about. So to start using Canva, first, download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Click Open Canva and search for business card. Now we have all these varieties you can choose from, and all you have to do is to choose the one you like. Once you're done with that, the design template you choose will come with 2 pages, the front and the back. You can change the color by tapping on the area you want to change, and at the bottom side of the screen, you click on these color options and change it to the type of color you need. Now select the text and replace with your client's information, and if you're not satisfied with the font, click these font options and choose the one you prefer. And to add a logo, first delete the existing one by tapping on it and click on this trash icon. Then come over and click on this plus sign and select gallery. Then choose your logo from your device. And if your logo has a background just like this and you want to take it off, just select the logo and click on this effects option. Then select background removal. Once that is done, you select the logo and you position it at where you want it to be. Now your design is done, but there's one last thing you need to know. If you look at these icons, you notice there is no social media icon. So in case you have a client that needs you to include one, just click on this plus icon and select element. Then search for Facebook logo and click on graphics. I prefer choosing the one that enables me to change the color later on so that it can match the color of my design. Now click on the Facebook icon, then drag from the corner of the icon to scale it down. And to make sure it has the same size with the rest, take the icon close to the other one and manually scale it to match. There will be a line that will appear each time you hit the same size with the other one. Once that is done, I'll position the icon and click on one of the text above. I'll click on this icon to duplicate and bring it down to align with the Facebook icon. Then I'll change the text format by swiping through the bottom section until I see format. I'll click on that and choose the first one. Now I will just rearrange the text and change the name. Then I'll go back to format to change it from being all capital. And I'll also change the word spacing by selecting spacing to reduce the word spacing. Finally, I'll click and change the color of the Facebook icon to match the rest. And as simple as that, you've created a design without any skills. To export it, click on the download icon and choose download. And Canva default download option is set as PNG, which you can use to download your design, or you can choose PDF if your client needs it in PDF. With this strategy, you can deliver design to your client fast without thinking of how to craft a design. And the best way to stand up among your competitors is to add value to what you're offering. And one of the things to consider is your thumbnail. As you can see, thumbnails like this stand a chance of selling faster. So to make this type of thumbnail, go to Canva and click on this plus sign to create a new design. Click on custom size and enter the Fiverr thumbnail size, which is 1280 by 769. Once you're in, click on this plus sign and select gallery. Then choose your design from your gallery. But remember, you can only see your design in your gallery if you exported it as PNG or JPEG. Now, scale and position your design in this format and select your card design. Click on effect and select effect again. Choose shadow and select drop shadow. Then repeat the same step to the other card. To add the pen, go to element and search for pen. Click on photo and I'll choose this one that looks better. Then I'll position it perfectly. Finally, I decided to change the color of the background by tapping on the background, and I click on this plus sign and I selected background. Then I chose gradient color. I later changed the color of the background again to match my design, and I added a text above. Then my thumbnail was ready for download. You could do more of this to get something like this. And another best way I can use to outsmart my competitors is to offer my clients a free design. And as you can see, everyone here offers almost the same thing, but you could choose to offer a business card design and a free letterhead. And you could do this fast in Canva just by using the same method I showed you for the business card. And we all know that marketing strategy of eat one and get one free. With this, customers will be drawn to you faster because who doesn't like free stuff? Now, whenever you get a client on Fiverr, you can use Canva to deliver a work fast. And I believe I was able to give you enough information on how to make money online without any skills. With this, you can outsmart your competitors by delivering at a fast rate and start earning more than your competitors. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and see you on the next one.